For the second time in the last 25 years, Island Health says a cat on Vancouver Island has contracted rabies.
We expect this cat probably got rabies from a bat.
And while the health authority waits testing to confirm, it's sending out a warning.
Since there is a small chance that someone may have come into contact with this cat before it was found, we've issued a public advisory to make sure that anybody can identify themselves.
Island Health isn't providing a description of the kitten, just the location, the 8,000 block of Chemainus Road between July 2nd and 9th, asking anyone who came into contact with a cat to call the communicable disease team.
We know the treatment is more successful the sooner it is given after exposure, so it is somewhat time sensitive.
Human cases of rabies are very rare in Canada, only 24 cases since the 1920s, but they do happen.
Unfortunately, by the time he was in hospital and the thought of rabies came to the care team, he was critically ill and he passed away.
6 years ago, 21-year-old Nick Major from Parksville died after a brief encounter with a bat. He wasn't bitten, so the experience didn't send off alarm bells until it was too late.
The concern arises as soon as you touch it, and that's when you have to seek help.
While other animals can be infected, bats are the only animal that carries rabies in BC. From them, it can be passed through just skin contact before the virus viciously attacks the nervous system, ending in the brain.
Once the symptoms develop, it is nearly always fatal, so it's really important to prevent that from happening.
1, 2, 3, fast, it's all finished.
A series of 4 vaccinations has to happen immediately after exposure, otherwise it's too late. At this time of year, experts say bat pups are learning how to fly, making them easy targets for cats who can hear their echolocation calls at night.
The cat had to be euthanized, unfortunately.
In this case, the rabies proved fatal. 20 other rescue cats exposed to the feline are now in quarantine, and Island Health is reminding pet owners to stay up to date on their vaccinations.